Welcome to CorpVault, the corporation vault for enterprise data protection. In this video, we will discuss about Commvault Backup Architecture. If you're managing or supporting Commvault, then you should know how it works, so you can give your best. Commvault Enterprise Backup Architecture is a modular, scalable, and resilient platform designed to protect, manage, and recover data across physical, virtual, and cloud environments. Let's discuss in detail of its architecture and design principles. Commvault architecture consists of these core components. CommServe server. It's the central management server for the CommServe environment. It coordinates and executes all operations, that is, backup, restore, and administrative operations. It maintains configuration, security, and operational history in a Microsoft SQL Server database. You can have only one CommServe server per CommServe environment. MediaAgent. It manages data movement between clients and storage targets. It handles deduplication, compression, storage management, and indexing. Multiple media agents can be deployed for scalability and high availability or redundancy. Client source servers. These are source machines containing data to be protected, for example, file servers, databases, VMs. Commvault software agents are installed to protect specific data types, for example, file system, database, virtualization. Solutions or agents. These are software modules for protecting specific data types, for example, file systems, databases, virtual machines. They are installed on clients or access nodes. Access nodes, or proxies. They are used for agentless backups, for example, virtual machines. They facilitate communication and manage data movement for backup and recovery operations, without installing agents on every VM. Storage. Backup data can be stored on disk, cloud, or tape libraries. Storage pools can be created for logical grouping and management. Deduplication is supported for disk and cloud. Hyperscale supports only deduplicated storage. User interfaces. Command Center. It is web-based, modern interface for configuration, monitoring, and management. CommServe Console. It's advanced Java-based interface for detailed management. Let's discuss few of Commvault's design principles. Scalability. You could start small and scale to protect thousands of servers and petabytes of data. You can add media agents and storage as data grows. Use scale-out architectures like HyperscaleX for large environments. High availability and resiliency. Use multiple media agents, called grid store, for redundancy. Use CommServe Live Sync for disaster recovery and quick failover. Use HyperscaleX, which uses zero shortcoding and redundant nodes for data resilience. Multi-tenancy. You can do logical separation for different organizations or departments. Each tenant can have its own policies, users, and resources. Security. All communications in Commvault are encrypted. The certificate management is built in. Commvault supports network segmentation and data encryption at rest and in transit. Automation and intelligent management. You have application-aware backups for transactional consistency. It supports automatic discovery of workloads. It is a policy-based management for backup, retention, and storage. How Commvault data flow work? Typical data flow would be backup initiation. Scheduled or manual backup job starts. CommServe triggers backup jobs, based on policies and schedules. Data collection. Agents or access nodes collect data from clients. Data transfer. Clients send data to MediaAgents. Data movement. MediaAgent manages data transfer, deduplication, and indexing. Data storage. Data is written to the configured storage target, disk, cloud, tape. MediaAgents write data to the configured storage targets. Indexing. Metadata is indexed for fast search and recovery. Metadata management. CommServe maintains metadata for all backup operations. Restore operations. Data is retrieved from storage via MediaAgents and restored to clients as needed. Monitoring and reporting. All operations are logged and monitored via dashboards and reports. What deployment models does Commvault support? Few deployment models to mention are: all-in-one. You can deploy all components on a single server, typically for small environments. Distributed. For distributed setup, components spread across multiple servers, for scalability and performance. Scale-out. Like HyperScaleX, which combines compute and storage in a resilient, scalable cluster. Let's discuss some best practices. Deploy CommServe on a dedicated, current-generation Windows server. Use grid store for MediaAgent redundancy. Separate backup storage from production storage. Regularly back up the CommServe database, and store DR copies off-site. Use deduplication to optimize storage usage. Schedule regular software updates and security patches, for bug fixes and enhancements. Let's summarize it with these key features. Scalability. For scalability, add more MediaAgents and storage as data grows. Resiliency. For resiliency, use multiple MediaAgents and storage copies for redundancy. Centralized management. All operations controlled via CommServe. Flexible storage. Commvault supports disk, cloud, and tape. Security. For security, you have data encryption in transit and at rest, plus role-based access control. We will end this video here. If you're learning Commvault administration, subscribe to CorpVault. We publish tutorials on enterprise backup, disaster recovery, and storage engineering. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.